How to set my pricing planning for my online course. Setting pricing for your online course requires careful consideration of various factors, including the value proposition of your course, your target audience's willingness to pay, competitive pricing in the market, and your own financial goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set your pricing plan effectively. 1. Understand your value proposition. Clearly articulate the value proposition of your course and identify what sets it apart from competitors. Consider factors such as the quality of content, level of expertise, unique features, and potential outcomes for students. 2. Know your target audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, preferences, and purchasing behavior. Conduct market research to determine their willingness to pay for online courses and their expectations regarding pricing. 3. Assess market competitors. Research competitor courses in your niche to understand their pricing strategies, pricing models, and value offerings. Assess the pricing range in the market and identify opportunities for differentiation. 4. Consider course content and complexity. Evaluate the complexity and depth of content in your course. Courses with more extensive content, advanced topics, or specialized expertise may justify higher pricing. 5. Evaluate your expertise and credibility. Consider your own expertise, credentials, and reputation as an instructor. Courses taught by renowned experts or industry leaders may command higher prices due to perceived value. 6. Determine pricing model. Choose a pricing model that aligns with the value proposition and goals of your course. Common pricing models for online courses include one-time payment, charging a flat fee for lifetime access to the course. Subscription, offering access to the course on a recurring basis, such as monthly or annually. Tiered pricing, offering different pricing tiers with varying levels of access, features, or support. Freemium, offering a basic version of the course for free, with optional paid upgrades or premium content. 7. Factor in costs and expenses. Consider the costs and expenses associated with creating and delivering your course, including content creation, platform fees, marketing expenses, and overhead costs. Ensure that your pricing covers these costs while still providing a reasonable profit margin. 8. Test pricing strategy. Consider testing different pricing strategies or price points to gauge the market's response and optimize your pricing strategy. Offer discounts, promotions, or limited-time offers to attract early adopters and gather feedback. 9. Communicate value to customers. Clearly communicate the value of your course to prospective customers. Highlight key benefits, outcomes, and features that justify the price and address potential objections. 10. Monitor and adjust pricing. Monitor sales performance, customer feedback, and market trends regularly to assess the effectiveness of your pricing strategy. Be prepared to adjust pricing as needed to remain competitive and maximize revenue. By following these steps and considering the various factors involved, you can develop a pricing plan for your online course that effectively balances value for your students with financial sustainability for your business.